Hi, welcome to Handmade Happy Hour. I'm Kathy Fillion, and today I'm going to show you how you make finger corsages using silk flowers. These are super trendy right now with fresh flowers, but I thought let's make some everlasting one with silk flowers. These are great for prom, homecoming, bridesmaids, or just a night out on the town. They're really easy to put together. You're going to grab some ring blanks, and I like to use these wood discs. These are 1.5 inch. The first thing I'm going to do is paint them green so that they blend in with our leaves. I'm painting the edges and both sides of them. You could paint them gold or silver also. Next, I'm going to use some heavy-duty glue like E6000 to glue my ring blanks down. These are adjustable ring blanks. I'm making these rings for some girls that I know that are headed out to their prom this year. So I don't know their finger sizes, but you could certainly upgrade here and do a fancier ring. So for the supplies, you're going to look for small silk flowers, little bits and pieces that I collected from my craft room. I've got some leaves, little flowers that I can pluck, some greenery, and some pearl sprays. First, you're going to use some wire cutters or some old scissors to cut your flowers down off of the stems. You can also pull them apart. And I'm going to show you on camera right now how I made the blue one with the succulents. First, I'm cutting my flowers off, and then I'm just flattening that little bit of wire there, and I'm going to create 3 of those for this ring. I'm adding my hot glue. My first layer is going to be these velvet leaves. You can harvest leaves off of silk flowers, or you can buy them in bulk online. Go ahead and hot glue all of those down. I'm doing 4 leaves here. On some of the rings I did 3. You can do whatever your personal preference is. But for this one, I wanted that real green and blue look to go with my friend's dress she's wearing. All right, we're going to add some pearl sprays. Just hot gluing those in the center. And then we're going to layer up a smaller section of spray there. Some of these pearls will get covered by the flowers, but it's best to glue them in the center. Next, we're going to start gluing our flowers down. I'm doing 3, so I'm kind of gluing them in a triangle pattern. If you had one, you could put it in the center. You could do a multicolored one, mix it all up. Just have fun and get creative. This is really just a springboard for your ideas and your color palettes. All right, now I'm going to go in and add a little bit of greenery there. Just hot gluing all of that down. Just kind of filling in all of the spots. You could make this as filled in as you want or as minimal as you want. If you look at the white and yellow flower ring, that is a very minimal design. And the pink and blue one is a very designed one. I'm adding a little bit of those little silk rosettes. Now for the back, I want to build up my layers of the greenery. Again, I'm matching this to a dress that's got a lot of blue and sort of some fairy tale vibe going on. So I want some of that earthy green. And now I'm going to glue these in a quad pattern, overlapping where my leaves on the top are. If you wanted to finish this ring off, you could hot glue a felt circle to the back. You would just cut a slit in the center and let that ring part come through. So let's glue all of those around the outer edge. You can see how that's taking shape. And it really just gives a beautiful dimension. I'm going to add some blue pearls that I had on hand. You can really just detail these out as much as you want, adding the colors of your choice. They're so easy, so gorgeous, and definitely fun to wear. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you check back for more of my fun DIYs. Have a super crafty week.